All right, what's up, everyone? For today's video, we're going to take a look at the dividend income spreadsheet. All right, now this is available to all the Discord members. All right, you just click on the spreadsheets tab in the Discord, and inside of there, you'll see a few different spreadsheets. This one specifically being the dividend income. It's pretty nice. So it gives you a breakdown and an overall overview of your portfolio, right? So you've got your portfolio breakdown here. All right, you've got your monthly dividend income here. You've got dividend income breakdown. And then here's basically your overview. This is where you will insert the stocks that you own, the number of shares, and the price, value, dividend yield, annual payout, ex-dividend date, and annual dividend income will then be all calculated once you enter your information. So what you want to do is come here to File, select Make a Copy. And once you make a copy, then you'll come in here and you'll change this part of the spreadsheet, right? For instance, maybe you don't have PFE, maybe you have something like Pepsi, so PEP. All right, you'll come in here, you'll hit enter, and then you'll see that this will change. Now you can filter these. There's a couple different ways to filter them. So you can, filter by the ex-dividend date. Okay, so maybe you want to know what stocks have an ex-dividend date coming soon. You can use this filter to go ahead and, see, some different time dates. All right, you can sort them by annual dividend income. Maybe you want to see which ones are paying you the most dividend income, et cetera, right? Now, this is just the dashboard, okay? When you come here to portfolio breakdown, you'll see a nice little pie chart here, donut chart really, and this will break down your portfolio even more so you can see which stocks are the biggest slices of your portfolio. Then we've got the annual dividend income here. And so this will just, if you hover over it, it will tell you how much dividend income you're getting annually from each of these stocks. If you go to your monthly dividend income, this will show you basically just, where it is monthly. And all of this is gathering from the info tab here. So for the info tab, you'll need to come in here and you want to put your monthly income that you're generating. Okay. And basically you'll come in here. There's a little typo. Let me fix this real quick, right? So you'll come in here, you'll put your income that you're receiving monthly, and that will update your monthly dividend income, okay? So the purple part is really the only part that's not dynamic that you need to break down and enter yourself. Is going to be the purple lines here. And there's also a nice little watch list here as well, where you can see a chart, different charts actually, right? And so what's pretty cool about this one is, you've got all the different stocks here on our list, right? So let's look at, NVIDIA, right? If we wanted to look at NVIDIA, all we have to do is click this drop-down menu and all of the stocks from our watch list here, right? So, let's say, these are the stocks we own, right? In our info tab. This is our portfolio breakdown, our dividend income breakdown. But maybe we've got some stocks on our watch list that we're looking at buying, right? So we'll come here, we'll click on this and it'll show you a short-term price chart, intermediary term price chart, and then a little bit of a longer term price chart. So really, really nice. And this right here is also the other purple part. This is your target buy. So these stocks on your watch list, if you look, PG, Procter Gamble, for instance, here it says target buy $1,111. The current price is below that. Obviously, I just put these in there kind of as a rough template for you guys. You'll have to come in here and adjust, right? So the purple things on this spreadsheet are the things that you need to manually put in. Everything else will be done for you, okay? So you come in here and Dell is trading at 139, right? We'll come in here and it currently says it's a buy. We'll come in here, we'll change this and we'll say maybe we want to buy Dell if it's at 130. And you see it'll change to wait, okay? So it'll be dynamic. You just come in here and plug in the stocks that are on your watch list. And it'll give you some basic info, PE ratio, earnings per share, dividend, 52-week high, 52-week low, and the percentage change on the day. And once you have those plugged in, again, you can just come up here, right, and choose from your stocks. Now, I left some room open here just in case you guys want to put in some other metrics. There's some basic functions that you guys can look for using Google Finance. You know, and so you basically just put what it is that you're looking for and then the function in the gray bars right here. But for now, you know, this is how it'll come standard. And if you want to expand upon it, I left that room for you guys to expand upon it. I really like this one. This one's pretty nice. We were just talking about Dell. And so we can see on a 1 month, it's in a little bit of a downtrend here, making highs, lower highs. On the 3 month, it's kind of gone sideways, a little bit more of an uptrend, right? Recently, we can see that 1 month that we have that downtrend. But overall, in the past 3 months, it's making lows and higher lows, right? And if you look, zoom out even further on the 1 year, you can see lows, higher lows, higher lows, and higher lows. So in a very strong uptrend over the past year. The last 1 to 3 months have been a little bit choppy, but overall the stock is pretty bullish. So that pretty much wraps up the spreadsheet, all right, and the quick overview of the spreadsheet. Again, the purple stuff is going to be the stuff that you want to manually come in here and enter and input, all right, and everything else is going to be done dynamically for you guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.